On average, 125 murder and manslaughter cases take place in the Netherlands on an annual basis since 2015. Investigation into these types of capital offenses take a lot of time, money and capacity. Currently, there are more than 1,700 unsolved murder and manslaughter cases on the shelf of the Dutch National Police that classify as a cold case. There is often a lack of technologies and tools to deal with these crimes more effectively and efficiently. Current working methods and techniques are often very labor-intensive and time-consuming. From an investigative point of view, it is relevant to gain a better overview and to provide a direction in the investigative process. And from a scientific perspective, more theoretical research into murder and manslaughter cases in the context of the Netherlands is of great importance. Peter de Kock from Pandora Intelligence proposed that any storyline can be built up of 12 so-called elementary scenario components. Peter further proposed that these scenario components can be used to build a smart database combined with modern data science techniques that could facilitate the analysis of the crime cases, make predictions, fill in the knowledge gaps by analyzing historical cases and comparing them with the current investigations. The goal of this project was to explore to what extent data science techniques and modern digital technologies can facilitate, organize, and direct homicide investigations in a way that it's more effective and efficient. In collaboration with our partners Pandora Intelligence and SD Project, solutions for automated retrieval and processing of open source data on homicide cases were explored and tested with the use of such modern technologies as artificial intelligence. As a result, we created a prototype of a smart database, the first one in the Netherlands. So far, we have collected more than 11,000 articles from various open sources. Additionally, more than 300 homicide cases have been processed in detail using elementary scenario component approach with the help of our students from the Cold Case Miner at Saxion. After that, we moved to data analysis and modeling, where researchers explored various relationships and patterns in the data and tried to prove or disprove existing theories for the homicide cases in the Netherlands. To provide structure and better overview of the investigative process, we developed a so-called cold case blueprint, a workflow that is aimed to guide investigators through their cold case research process. This was achieved using a no-code platform Universe from our partner Icologic. The blueprint combines a theoretical cold case evaluation model with the principles of open source intelligence, or OSINT. In the future, an integrated system can be developed that feeds the data from the homicide database into the blueprint system to facilitate scenario development and analysis. This part of the project received a prestigious Computable Award 2020. Lastly, we established a link with the educational program of Cold Case Miner at Saxion University to use our developed knowledge and tools to educate future forensic and law enforcement professionals. The project Cold Case Solved and Unsolved is a unique collaboration between several organizations, public and private. Digital tools, data science, and artificial intelligence techniques still have a great potential for development in the crime investigation domain. Our created database can be used not only by investigators, but also by scientific researchers who can have access to structured data for their studies. However, further research and collaborations are essential to explore not only the opportunities, but also limitations and challenges such technologies may present in the future.